Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to jump into a mug on Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to prepare your video. This kind of video. You can create the jumping video like this. And after you have created this video, you can open up the Capcut and start creating new project. And this video is not mine, by the way. I downloaded this video from the internet, and I'm going to use this video to create jump into a mug video using Capcut. Okay, I'm going to open up my Capcut application and I'm going to create new project. But wait. Okay, I'm going to click on new project to create new project, and then I'm going to choose the video I have just shown you. Okay, the video is here, this one, and I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, and then I'm going to add a mug image to this project. I downloaded the mug image as well from the internet. Wait, I'm going to go to the pictures folder or pictures album, and I'm going to find a mug. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. All right, and I'm going to remove the green screen. Wait, I'm going to make it align with my video, and then I'm going to use chroma feature to remove the green screen from the mug. We can go to the remove background menu and choose chroma key feature, and then you can remove the green color. All right, and then I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and let's see how it looks. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and you can also change the background if you want. Okay, and I'm just going to make it bigger. Right, let's take a look. Okay, it's not that perfect, but it's okay. Okay, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can export the video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a jump into a mug on Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.